Hi everyone, welcome back to another video for another unboxing of a QVC TILI box. The last two that I talked about were really great. Again, these are for $25. They are a subscription box that comes to me or to anyone that orders it on a monthly basis. So this one that we're going to do is the TILI Try It, Love It by Lauren McBride. That's a very cute box. Flowers, very springy. So I like this. I don't know what's inside yet, but we're going to find out. So let's get started. Oh, well, there goes that. Hopefully I didn't break anything. So let's see. Okay. All right, so here it is. There's that. Okay, good. They have, every time I open one of these boxes, they smell really nice. And this is by, again, Lauren McBride, and she says, "Hey girl, I'm life and style blogger Lauren McBride, and I'm so excited for you to get your hands on this box. I'm thrilled to have collaborated with QVC to curate this box of some of our combined favorite beauty items. A few of my favorites include the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Serum and Origins Face Wash." Okay. Please take a few minutes for yourself and have fun and enjoy these products. So let's start going through them. And I'll do what I did with the last one. I'll just go through the list and see what's all in here. This one says it's Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Okay, I have used that product before and it is really wonderful. I like it. It travels well as well. I really, really like it. It smells nice. So let me know you have tried this. So let's see if we can find it in here. Again, let me show you the boxes. With the tissue here, and let's see what we can find. So the first item, let me see if I can find it, is the Frothy Face Wash. And here it is in a tiny little sample. Again, this is the Checks and Balances Frothy, and it says the face wash is formulated with broadleaf kelp extract, wheat protein, and tourmaline. Plus the aroma of bergamot, spearmint, and lavender refreshes. So I knew it smelled really nice, and that's probably why. It has bergamot, spearmint, and lavender. And the skin does feel comfortable afterwards, very clean. How to use: squeeze a small amount into palm, add water, lather, swirl over skin, steering clear of ice, rinse thoroughly. I really, really love this. This is a great, quick, if you're running around, don't know, and you go anywhere in Europe, you'll find a Origins counter. This is a great go-to. It does remove your makeup pretty much from all your face. It doesn't leave any residue, and it leaves your skin feeling very, very soft. Okay, so again, that's the Origins Checks and Balances. The next one is your Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C Brightening Serum, which is the one that Lauren McBride had mentioned earlier before, that she personally loves that one, has used it. It says the serum is targeted to improve the look of dullness. The hydrating formula illuminates the complexion so skin feels youthful. How to use: apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin, morning or night. Okay, so let's find it. And that is, oh, that is a full size. See that? And it is orange. Wow, I've never tried this before myself. It didn't come with a box, but it is the C.E.O. Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. So I will definitely give it a try. And let me mention this one more time. I did it in the last video. Once it is opened, as you can see right there, it is 12 months after opening that it's good for. Okay, so if you didn't know that, that's what that means. If you did, good for you. I typically like to give it anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks in using the skincare, and that way I know how it really works for me or not. So I'll let you know how that works. The next product that we talk about here is LAVANILA, the healthy fragrance. It's exotic essential oils with skin soothing botanicals for timeless expressions of nature that captivate the senses and nurture the skin. It's pure vanilla, essential blend of Madagascar vanilla, soft freesia, and rich heliotrope. Apply directly into skin as often and as desired. Okay, so let's find this. What is it? LAVANILA? Oh, I don't think I got it. Oh, sorry, I lied. It is LAVANILA, pure vanilla, healthy fragrance. Here it's just a small sample. And it says, try our healthy deodorant made with breakthrough natural technology and packed with pure essential oils and antioxidants. Our aluminum-free deodorants never include harsh chemicals, providing superior long-lasting odor protection. Okay, so let's give it a little whirl. Here's a little spray. And it's 100% recyclable, not tested on animals. Okay, so let's give this a test. You do smell the vanilla in that. Let's give it about an hour or so and see how that smells. Very reminds me of candy. That's what that reminds me of. So the next product that we're going to talk about here is Perricone MD Super Green Supplement Powder. It is a great tasting supplement drink with a blend of 11 vegetables, including kale, spinach, and watercress, as well as probiotics and nutrients. It is packed with vitamins A, C, D, B6, B12, and biotin. How to use it? We mix 1 packet with 8 ounces of water a day. Okay, and those are these little packets. So I have tried the skincare from Dr. Perricone before, as you can see, and it says here Super Greens right there, and they gave me 3. So we're supposed to mix these entire, well, 1 packet at a time, I'm sure. Did I do that right? In 8 ounces. So I'll give those a try and see how what the taste is like, what they do for me. And I'm sure 3 is not a big deal, but I'm sure it'll give me some type of energy or something. Let's see. The next one is a Fizz and Bubble Large Bath Fizzes. It features an ultra moisturizing 8 essential oil blend that includes a fusion of aloe vera, coconut, grapeseed, sweet almond, olive, avocado, sunflower, and jojoba oils, completed with Epsom salts, vitamin E, and clay. How to use? Fill your bathtub with water. Any temperature will do. Drop in the Fizzy and then lay back and relax. Break large Fizzies apart to use more often than 1 bath. Okay. And, oh, it's in Island Coconut. So that's what smelled when I opened the box. I got it in Island Coconut. And here's the Bath Fizzy. And again, it recommends either you can drop the entire ball in there into your bath. And it says right there, 1 open, 2 plop, 3 fizz. So I'll be giving that a try as well. And I usually like to break these and put them in a jar so the smell doesn't go away. I typically use those jars that have a tight seal, and I'll break them up and use them for a pedicure in the bath and different things like that. So that does smell very delicious. If we had smell-o-vision, I totally would put that up closer so y'all could smell it or do a scratch and sniff. The next one is a BECCA Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It is a Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder, sets and refresh makeup for a silky smooth finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. How to use? You apply the Hydra-Mist all over the face to set makeup. Reapply throughout the day to rejuvenate and refresh the look of makeup. Close cap tightly after each use to keep the powder cool. Okay? And here it is. Here's the BECCA powder. It looks just like this. It is sealed. Again, I have a few powders open right now, so I'm not going to entirely open this one. And it looks to be translucent. And there's that little symbol again. If you can see it, I think it says 6 months. What does that say? Yeah, 6 months. And it is a Hydra-Mist. So once I try it, I will let you know what that feels like, what it looks like. So if you have tried this product before, let me know how you like it, not like it, what are your thoughts on it? Okay, so the next one, it says is a BareMinerals Marvelous Moxie Lipgloss. Okay. This lip gloss is infused with ingredients that smooth and hydrate lips with sheer, pure color and, shiny, mirror-like finish at last. You can wear alone for sheer to medium wash of color and a high shine finish. You can also layer over lipstick or lip liner to add shine. Okay, so again, another BareMinerals, and I did not wear anything on my lips on purpose just in case there is a lipstick or lip gloss in here, and it is in Crowd Surfer. So you can see right there. And again, once we open this, it is a 12-month. If you can see it right there. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that is so pretty. It's like a pink sorbet color. And again, it's in Crowd Surfer, and you have 12 months to utilize from the time of opening it. So I guess I have 12 months. So let's try this on. My little mirror. And there's the applicator once again. Oops. There's the applicator once again. It's your little typical doe foot. And then I'm going to apply it right here on my hand so you can see the color. That was not good. There we go. It is very shiny. I like that. So let's apply that to my lips. Excuse me. It does have a minty spearmint flavor. You don't taste, well, you kind of taste it, but it's not gooey, it's not sticky. That is the color on my hand. That is the color on my lips, as you can see that. I do like it. Almost like a fresh breath. I don't know, it's spearminty, if you will. I like it. So far, so good. I don't know. Tell me what you think. How does it look on me? And last but not least, it's a Pop Sonic Leaf Sonic Facial Cleansing Device. Oh, wow. Cleanse your face of daily grime, makeup, and dry skin with the massaging sonic cleansing of the perfectly portable Pop Sonic Leaf Bud Facial Cleanser. How to use. Apply cleanser to the leaf bud and press the on button. Use every day to help remove makeup and daily grime. Oh, that is so cute. Here it is. The Pop Leaf Bud. And it says a facial cleansing device, powerful motor, non-porous silicone rubber, 100% waterproof, and used with regular cleanser or lotion. So I guess you can apply your lotions on this as well. Oh, and I got it in light pink. That is so cute. Again, I will try this with both the cleanser and a lotion and see how it works. I'll give it, like I said, anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks to see how well it does apply my lotions or moisturizers and cleanses my face. This is a great travel instead of carrying my the Sonic brush that I have, which is larger. And if this works well, then I'll be taking this. All right, so let's recap. What did we get here today? Oh my gosh, I'm getting the lip gloss all over me. So there's the color. So I'll start off with that so I can wipe that off right now. And that was in Crowd Surfer, excuse me. And don't forget the little emblem. It does tell you it is a 12-month. And there's the color, like a pink sorbet, but this is the way it looks on me. I like it. It's neutral, very soft, and perfect for the spring and summer. And, okay, so I'm going to wipe this off since I'm getting it all over me. And the next thing is this. So, again, these two things alone, I'm sure are well over the $25. So I think this was a great TILI box that I really liked. So, again, so that you saw the, my goodness, the BareMinerals lip gloss. Here's the Sunday Riley serum, which, again, I will try. Let you know how it works out for me. Here's the Pop Sonic cleanser, facial device, I should say, in pink. And then here's the little balm in Island Coconut. I'll let you know how that works too. And it does say here on the side it has 8 natural oils on it. Okay. I did get the BECCA Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Again, once I open this, I'll let you know. It might take me a little while, but I'll still let you know how it worked out for me. And I've already tried this before, Checks and Balances, but it's a great product that I love to have. It is iridescent, it's very pretty, and smells very nice. So that's that. And then the next one is the LAVANILA scent sample that I received. And that does smell like vanilla, the Madagascar vanilla. And last but not least are the Dr. Perricone's Super Greens. And I got 3 of those. And again, I'll try those and let you know what the taste was, how it tastes, what it looks like, and etc., etc. So that's that for that box. So that is it in this box for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of these products. Have you tried any of these products? Let me know if you think this is worth the $25 through QVC. Have you tried it yourself? Let me know. Write me some comments below and let me know what else you would like for me to purchase, if there's any subscription boxes or anything that you have tried in this box, and if you liked it or what your opinions are. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share it, and turn on the notifications so you know every time that I upload. Once again, I hope to see you next time, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!